So good evening to you all. So I'm Salman Boris. So today we are going to see the project that I was done on analyzing the impact of coffees on price and profitability. So it was given by Trinity. So they have given the data sets. So where it contains many features like engine SP, engine cylinder, and so many features. And also they have given the total price MSRP price. So we have to find the unless the impact of core pieces on price and profitability. So we go into the presentation. So first is the project description. So project is about analyzing the patterns in various core pieces to understand the factors that drive consumer demands of for cost. So as a data analyst, so we receive a data set with details about various costs and queries, and we are required to analyze the data and provide insights to those queries. So approach. So what are the approach that we have done is, so we have done a data understanding, data pre-processing, data analysis, dashboard creation, then conclusion and presentation. So data understanding. So we have clearly we have defined variables and learned about that variable. So what leads to the increase in the core prices and what leads to the decrease in the core prices, and then we do some that is missing values. So we have imputed the missing values with um, correct valid values, and we have did some more data wrangling. So then data analysis. So we have analyzed some factors in our Excel. So then dashboard creation. So we have we have created dashboard in Tableau. So we have used so what are the tech stacks we are using this? So Google Colab. So for Google Colab is used for data pre-processing. So then MS Excel is used for data analysis. So then Tableau is used for dashboard creation. So next is, so first of all, so we are going to see the data pre-processing. So that I have done in the Google Colab. So So this is the notebook. So we have imported the required libraries. So and then we have checked the missing values. So you can see that the market category contains missing values. So we have imputed the missing values with so on the first of all, so we have found the outliers. So we taken only numerical data. So we have found the outliers. So for that box we have used the box plot to found outliers. So we can see that engine SP has outliers, so engine cylinder has outliers, but these all are valid outliers, so we cannot remove the outliers. And for some invalid outliers we have imputed the values. So then we can see that. So for some cost that has a mileage of above 286, but it is not valid. So I searched that mileage in the internet, and I imputed that my required mileage. So then, and also, so you can see that. So this is a market category. So where it contains many null values. So you can see that this all are null values. So we are going to impute null values. So we have searched in the internet. So yeah, so you can see that. So this all are the market category values that we replaced with the null values. Then after we did some pre-processing, we have so finally, so we have cleaned the data or pre-processed data and saved to the Excel file. Like we all the cleaned and data we have renamed to final clean data. So this is the data Excel file. So this is the cleaned final data set. So you can see that final cleaned data set. It is stored in you can see that it's stored in the files. So you can see that final clean data is stored. So this is the cleaned data set. So this is the Excel file. You can see that this is all the file that we have imputed the values. So we didn't we removed only 2 to 3 rows. Remaining rows we have keep like that. So So this is the final data set. Then we go to analysis. So what we have done. So first one is market category analysis. So category analysis, we have find the unique categories. So we have there are 10 unique market categories in data set. So and also we have count models for each category. So and also we have found the average of popularity score for each market category. You can see that in the excel file it is available. So this is a task one. We have used a formula like count if, and also for to find the average we have used the average if. So then also we have created a bar chart. So to realize to impact a relation between, it is a combo chart. So it is used to find a relation between market category and the popularity. So you can see that. So red line indicates the average of popularity score. Blue bar actually. So red line indicates red trend line indicates the average of popularity score, and blue bar indicates the count of models. So you can see that. So this is the final output. We have copy pasted into the presentation. So what findings that we have done is the data set has comparatively higher number of, so performance and luxury costs crossover. They have there are many performance and luxury costs, uh, followed by crossovers and flex fuel costs. So these are the inference that we have collected. So next one is relation between MSRP and the engine HP. So we are going to we did some analysis to find a relationship between the price and engine HP. So this is a task 2. So you can see that. So we have taken an engine HP values and MSRP values. So we have used the correl formula to find the correlation between engine HP and MSRP. So you can see that the correlation is quite strong positive correlation. It is a 0.65, and also you can see that the plot, it's also like when the x-axis increases, the y-axis also increases. When the engine HP is and the engine HP is increases, the MSRP also increase. So we can observe that the relationship is positive 0.65. So this is logical as higher engine HP requires more complex level of design and engineering and more expensive supports. Also, so cost with engine higher engine HP are mostly performance costs. So you can see that. So the luxury costs, so performance costs, they have maximum higher engine HP. So this is you can conclude that this is a logical, and this is a valid inference. So and then we come to the regression analysis. So in the regression analysis we have find the this is a task on me. I will show data. So this is a task 3, regression analysis. Regression analysis, we have collected all the numerical variables like engine HP, engine cylinder, number of doors. So all the numerical, we have collected all the numerical variables, and we have done the regression. So we have multiple linear regression. So we if you go to data tab, and there is a data analysis tab is present. So in there we have regression. We have given the regression, and then for x-axis, so we have given the engine HP, engine cylinder. So all the numerical variables except price MSRP. In the y-axis, so we have given the price. After that, what we have found is, so the R square value is 0.45. So this is the output that we have that we get, and also this is a bar chart. I will explain this in the presentation that I have done. So we can observe that R score is 0.45, which can be counted as a moderate source. So 0.4 is not a very bad score, but it is a quite moderate and a good score. So then in the regression analysis, so they asked to find which feature is the strong of features splitting purposes. So you can see that engine cylinder. So engine cylinder coefficient is 7139. So engine cylinders feature have strong positive effect 7,139 on predicting car prices. So engine cylinder is the most positive, actually what we can say. So engine cylinder is a feature, so strong positive feature in predicting the car prices. So on number of doors, so you can see that. So number of doors bar is quite long compared to other variables. Number of doors have strong negative effect, minus 4,634 on predicting core prices. So what we have observed that the variables which have low unique counts have strong effect. So you can see that the number of unique counts in engine cylinder is 4, and number of unique counts in number of doors is so 3. So the number of doors and engine cylinders are the impacted important feature that are used to find used in predicting the core price. So then we have so that then is task 4. So task 4 is like, so we have find the average price for each branch. So we have find the average price for each branch. So what we have inferred that is, so we have uh, we have collected we have so we are seriously using the bar chart. So we can see that, so we have calculated average price for each branch. So this is that output. Then we have visualized using the bar chart. We can observe that the most expensive cars are that of Bugatti for brand, followed by Mars, Maybach, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, etc. So Bugatti cars is they have a they are the most expensive car. It is really 1.7 million, and followed by Maybach and Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, or the subsequent expensive cars. And all these car brands are high performance and luxury brands. So the market category is mainly on luxury, high performance. So these two category, they all expensive car belongs to. So and then engine SP versus highway MPG. So this is a task 5. So final task. So we can see that we have taken an engine cylinder and highway MPG. So what we have done is we have we do the scatter plot. So and also we have done a trend line. You can see that the correlation between engine SP and highway MPG is minus 0.64. It is also the quite good strong positive correlation. And also you can see that it is the trend line goes downward. So if the engine cylinder is high, then the mileage given by the car will also low. If the engine cylinder cylinders are very high, the mileage will be low. So this is the inference that we get. So you can see that the correlation coefficient is also negative with a value of 0.62294. So this is logical because as the number of engine cylinder increases, the amount of fuel to be burned also increasing, thus decreasing the mileage. So so this is logical. So we can see that if the engine cylinders are very maximum, then the mileage given by the car will also decrease. So this is the inference that we get when we compare the engine SP versus highway MPG. So finally, so what then we have done is dashboard creation. So dashboard, we have used the Tableau, so which is data visualizing software. You can see that uh, Tableau dashboard. So this is a Tableau dashboard. So we have first we have find a brand wise average cost distribution. So uh, we have found a price distribution for each brand. So you can see that Bugatti is the highest price range, and followed by Maybach, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, and then we have find a car price distribution. So for car price distribution, so we have created a bins 0k, 200k, 400k. We have created a bins, and most cars prices are below 200k. So 200k dollars. So then our price weight transmission. So transmission automatic. Most cars are automatic. So and nearly, so some of their automatic cars are 33 million. So then fuel efficiency, so you can see that 1990, 1995, so mileage is decreasing. So after the 2005, you can see the increase in the mileage. So after 2005, the introduction of electric cars leads to the increase in the mileage. So you can see that petrol fuel costs they will give the low mileage, but instead when you compare to electric cars, they give the mileage of like 100 kilometer per hour. So 100 to 150 kilometers they give the mileage. So then after then we plot HP versus MPG versus price. So we can see that. So it is a engine HP and the MPG. So it is a, we have did the density plot. We had for three variables we have this is not density plot, it is a counter plot, and also we have this is a KPI, so average car price. So out of 1199 data we have, so for all the 1199 cars we have found the average price. So average price is 41,745. So total brands in our data set is 48, and the average popularity score, so for average popularity score is 1559. So this is filters, vehicle size and driven wheels. So we have included two filters, so vehicle size and driven wheels, and also we have introduced two filters, vehicle style and make. So it's an interactive dashboard. So if I click 4D dashboard, it will show only 4D dashboard. And if I click so it is an interactive dashboard, so and it is also driven wheels. So if I click the four wheels, it only shows the four wheeler driven cars for to all. And also vehicle size, you can see that if I click, it changes according to the filter. So if I click mid-size, it shows only the car distribution for mid-size cars. So mid-size cars mostly car price distributed below 2000. So on fuel efficiency, you can see that. So these all are the insights that we collected from the dashboard. So this is a dashboard, final dashboard. So I uh, tested a dashboard in the presentation. So what are the results that we finally, so we have come to the result. So to this project, I was able to understand importance of data analytics in core feature analysis, and it provides valuable insights which help in making data-driven decisions. So in this project, I was able to get insights like which pieces affects core price, relationship between engine cylinders, and its fuel efficiency, etc. It also got experience in data pre-processing like data cleaning, handling outliers, feature engineering, etc. In this project, I can communicate our insights to relevant stakeholders as per the requirements, using which they can make proper data-driven decisions. So and lastly, so this project have helped in me understanding the various functions of Python, Excel, and Tableau. So these three tools are used to do analysis upon corporate feature analysis. So these three tools is very awesome. And also I have given the link. So Google Colab link. So if you click that, you can redirect to my workbook that I have done, and also MS Excel workbook and Tableau workbook. So feel free to use it. And thank you. So that's all I want to say. So thank you.